Here, today I am going to give a presentation on what we did. The project is telephone billing system. So B6 created this application using the Java Swing and the platform used is Eclipse IDE. So I am going to give the introduction. The telephone billing system is an application which makes a bill of how much the person is talked and for how much duration he has been talked and what type of call he has used. Like there are three types of calls: local, STD, and mobile. If we compare local, STD, and mobile, STD charges more than the local system. Local contains 11 numbers, STD contains 8 numbers, and mobile contains 10 numbers. In local, we have to start with the 0 numbers and then it contains the next 10 numbers. So the application uses a swing-based GUI to simplify data entry and bill visualization. Next, I am going to explain the proposed system. Basically, I am going to explain this project. First, we have to give the input. Means giving our name and for what duration and which system the person is used. Next, after the input, it will process or it will check if the details are correct or not. Then it will compute the bill and then it will display the charges how much it is based. This is the process flow: input, validation, bill computation, display, and storage is temporary. And the system simplifies billing by providing GUI based display, validation for correct phone numbers. Yeah. After the input only, it is going to take the validation for correct phone numbers. And next, it will real-time computation using fixed call rates. It will automatically generate the bill according to the STD, phone, and local. Thank you. And next will be explained my friend.
Good evening, everyone. Myself Abhishek Dodmani. I am going to talk about the features of the telephone billing system. First feature is user-friendly interface. User-friendly interface is built by using Java Swing GUI. It is very easy and interactive interface. Next one is automatic bill calculation. It calculates the bill automatically without any human efforts. Distinction between local and STD calls. It differentiates between the local and the STD calls, like the numbers, phone numbers, and the billing charges. Next, date and time tracking for each call. It tracks the time and date of each call which was recorded by the telephone. Next one is report generation for total bills. It generates the bill of a single call with its duration. And the next topic is requirements for running the telephone billing system. Hardware requirements are processor like Intel Core i3 or higher. RAM is minimum 2 GB, maximum how much you can take it. And the hard disk minimum requirement is 250 GB. And the monitor must be about 15 inches or mobile size monitors. And next, software requirements. Software requirements, we require operating systems like Windows, Linux, and Linux. Our programming language is Java, which is used to build this telephone billing system. Next one is database. MySQL is a very important database which requires to build this program, and GUI library is used as Java Swing and AWT. Thank you.
Myself Abhishek, SRN is 025. I am dealing with the snapshots of the telephone billing system. First, we have to enter the details of the call. First, enter the name of the person and enter the phone number of the person. Next, enter the number of calls and next enter the duration of the time of the call. And there are the field types. First one is local and standard, and another one is phone. If we click on add, it will be add on this manner. If we click on bill, it will generate bill like this. It gives name, phone number. In standard, the phone number starts with 0 and gives dates and time, a number of calls and duration of the time, and the type of type is a standard, and total amount is 150. In mobile, another type is mobile. It will give the same as this, but changes in phone number. it do not start with 0, it starts with the same phone number with 10 digits. And it varies with the amount only. And next one is local. It gives the same, but there is only 8 numbers, 8 phone numbers, and it is also different from the another amount. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, I am Abhishek, my SRN number 22. Today topic is architecture and designing, telephone building system architecture and designing, telephone network. When a customer call someone telephone number Airtel BSNL Jio network calling telephone network, building system. Call recording module, phone number deleted, call duration, call types, local standard SID, date and time all call. Example, local on 8 digits, billing system. This is the core logic that calculates charge based on the record on the plan details. Example, local charge 1 limit, call 2 limits. Database, customer database. Customer database base, name and address, phone number, phone details. Bill database, call details, monthly bill recording, tax history and payment history. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: automate and error-free building. Calculate the error automatic, no human mistake. Example: if a customer made 324 calls, the system calculates everything installed. Disadvantages: installment valid, invalid number and installed valid. Accurate calculation. Calculation. System uses extra tools and type. Example: local standard SID charge are calculated correctly. Disadvantages: no permanent data storage, backup photos, videos, customer enter, limited user enter, no print export option, lab database integration.
Good evening everyone, and I am Aglas, my current number is 13, and I am going to learn about data flow and algorithm in our application. And the data flow steps is our application must take user name and their number and how much call they did and how much time they use your application, and system validates the phone number and it checks the user's name number, whether it is our country number or they call to abroad, and it calculates the bill, how much they use our application. Based on it, our application generates the bill and display the results to users. And how our algorithms works like now. First it takes inputs and it validates, then only it takes the phone number and determine the call type, like it is STD or local, etc. And each call there is a certain amount, like for STD 3 rupees per minute and for ISD 1 rupee per minute. And the total amount generated, like calls into duration into rate. Calls means how much call they did and duration how much time they used, and rate means rupee per minute they got, and display the summary based on the usage of our application. Then it ends. The next is conclusion. Our application is based on JavaScript concepts, and it makes our application run easily and user friendly. And first is automation and accuracy. The telephone billing system is generates properly and without error and with accuracy. And ensuring it ensures the accurate calculations for all charges. Thank you.
Good evening everybody, I am Abhinandan. I will explain about our future enhancement here. Right now the system stores detailed temporary. In the future we can use a database to save like temporary user details, bills and call history. This will be retrieve old bills anytime. And enable PDF and Excel export. This time easy to make user to print, share or store their bills. After that, include admin login system. We can add a separate admin portal where only authorized staff can like users view all users, edit call rates, manage bill records. This improves security and control. After that, integrate SMS email bills notification, where after the bill generated, the system can automatically send the bills to the users like through SMS or email. This provides conversation and quick communication. And all through this one, in the future, we can make the system smarter and adding a database allowing PDF or Excel, architecture, computation or rewrite all slides professionally. And thanks for everyone.
Now I will explain how this project works. First we have to add the name and the phone number. Next, how much calls we have been done, and the duration we can add some 15 minutes or 5 minutes. As we took the 10 numbers, we have to take the option as mobile. So then if we will add this, it will pop up the message as added. When we click OK message, it will show in this particular box. Next, if we will add this as putting a 0 beside 9. If as we use the type as mobile, then it will pop up the message as there is an error, because in mobile there should be 10 digits, not 11 digits or something else. So we have to take this as a standard. When you will take this as a standard, that will pop up message as added, and then it will show the here it is added. It will take another number. Next, we will take the local number. In local number there should be only 8 digits. See, there are 8 digits. If we will add this, we took as the STD, then again it will take it as an error. So we have to change it as the local. When you will change it as the type of local, when you will add this, so it will add the bill and it will show here. And if we will take this, if we will take the first one as the mobile, and if you click on the bill, it will generate the bill automatically. As you can see here, it will generate the bill automatically. The amount will also be popped here. And if we will take the next number, which is STD, if we will take the bill, so next it will move next. This is the basic project, which will automatically gives the as recording and the what the duration we have